Hello everyone, my name is Scott Smith with CNS Cleaning Services, and today we're out doing some commercial carpet cleaning at a huge building here in Meadville, Pennsylvania. I just want to say, if you guys need a certified professional company to clean your carpet for its warranty, give us a call. Our number is 814-547-1848, and you can also book online at whencleancounts.com. Just click book online, select what you need off the list, and then you can select the date that you need, and it'll populate right into our schedule, and you don't even have to make a phone call. So that being said, I'm going to show you what we can do. Now, our truck's actually parked about 200 feet away in the parking lot, and we're in a commercial building here cleaning carpet. Now I have one of my techs in here cleaning at the moment, and he's extracting the carpet with a carpet wand. But he's using extremely hot water to clean that carpet, and products that are pet and baby safe that'll also break the bond of the oil or the dirt or sugars that has to the carpet. And all that dirty water gets sucked up through the hose here, gets sucked up and gets sucked out to the truck. Now, the biggest difference between a do-it-yourself machine and a truck-mounted machine is the amount of power that you can use. Our truck's clear down there, 200 feet away from where we're cleaning. Now, even though we're so far away, the cleaning temperatures we're actually cleaning with the carpet are still way above 200 degrees. And that helps break that bond that the soil has to the carpet. And also, the suction that's being created will get that carpet dry in less than 2 hours, and even quicker on less humid days. So, the difference between that and do-it-yourself machines is there's only so much heat and suction you can get out of a 110 outlet or even a 220 outlet. Whereas truck mounted equipment, the big machine you see out there, one of our two, runs off the van's engine, which is powered off a 300 plus horsepower V8 engine. So that creates a huge amount of suction. We can actually clean with two tools at the same time, and that makes us even more efficient and a better choice for you if you want to get your house cleaned, dry, quickly, and get it back in service so your kids and your pets can all enjoy it. So if you need us, give us a call, 814-547-1848, or like I said before, you can go on to whencleancounts.com and book right online. Super easy, and you can book anytime, day or night. Just select what you need off the list and select when you need it, and it'll populate right onto our schedule. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you when you need your next cleaning.